Today I have a tip for empaths. If this is you and you want to know more, stick around. Hi, I'm Veronica and welcome to the Wholeness Shift. If this is your first time here, welcome. I teach people about easy, practical spirituality, intentional living, the law of attraction, all of those little things that will help you navigate your spiritual awakening. If this interests you, hit the subscribe button below. I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything good. So today I have a little tip for you empaths out there. You know, for most of my life I've been a night owl. And I never quite understood why. I just thought that it's my makeup. And I think that it partially is. But after learning that I'm an empath, one of the things I realized was that it's at nighttime that I'm finally out of everybody else's energy. 99.9% of your community is going to be hanging out in the astral realm. They're not hanging out here. They go to sleep. And the energy of your environment just gets hushed. And it becomes so much more quiet and peaceful, and you get a chance to really experience your energy. So you're probably going to feel your most creative, your most energetic, your most alive, and like, I can finally get some stuff done. And I think that that's probably why, or at least it plays a part in it. For me, it just feels so much lighter and easier for me to finally be able to tap into the muse, and my creativity flows much easier. Hopefully this helped you, gave you some food for thought. I'll talk to you soon.